Spins, kicks out, ball is stolen. Crossover move. Nakalusot.
3 versus 1.
Unlace. Yes sir, and 6 to not. The mid lane.
Against 4 defender.
Fast and lace bucket. Lucero, he's at the top. He attacks. Inside, he lays off. Sinausaw. He stops, he pass to the middle.
Bow.
Fires, basket and one. The strong. Welcome to Abra Intertown Dolores versus Malibcong. First ball for team Dolores, number 71. He crossover, he attacks, goes inside and recover. He decided to take easy pass inside, pull up jumper, bullseye, first blood. He attacks, goes inside, side step. Oh! Traveling sword. And the long pass, pull up jumper, bullseye. 4-0 and slowly dribbling the ball. Fuentes, the bounce pass, corner. Vallecillo spins, kicks out, ball is stolen. Crossover move, nakalusot, 3 versus 1, lace. Yes sir, and 6-0 now. And here's Malibcong. Number 23, inside pass. Bump, attacks, fires, bucket. And here for the team Dolores. And a pass back to the middle. Goes to the middle. The floater, the free throw area. And the lucky bounce. And here's team Malibcong, number 15, Fuentes. He fakes, he stops, he passes to the middle. Launches on 3. Bang! And number 15, Fuentes here. Dumistancia, he spins. He pass inside. Kicks out. Step back. Open for 3. Bang! And here's team Malibcong. Fuentes, number 15. Pull up jumper. Off the window. Money. And here's team Dolores. Pass to the middle, lost the handle, ball is stolen, 2 versus 1, stop, create space, pass inside, oh, to score, fakes, clutch, oh, rejected, and number 71, Parado, crossover move, goes down the baseline, and the pass, far, short, another, and the second chance. And here's Fuentes, holds the ball, pass to the middle, pull up jumper, bullseye. Backdoor in the bound for Team Dolores, looking for receiver, is stolen. And here's Fuentes, he crossed the mid lane, against 4 defender, pass and lace, bucket. Inbound for Team Dolores, number 15, wide open for 3, bang, the net. And here's Fuentes, now look pass to the wings, number 283, pass back, Fuentes. At the middle, at the top, pass to the corner, open for 3, bang! Lucero, he's at the top, he attacks, pass on the inside, he lays, oh! Sinausaw! Rebound, Green. And Vallecillo, pass to number 15, Fuentes, pass back, picks. He dribbled the ball, he spin, he goes to the baseline, he stops to the middle, Fuentes drives, and here you go, Dolores number 0, oh, tinapboard, and the long pass, in binalik, Fuentes, he stops, he pass to the middle, bump, fires, basket and one, that's strong. Here's number 23, Fuentes with the receive. To the middle, ball stolen. Here's number 2 in Harry. 3 versus 2. The floater. Bucket. Number 23 cross the middle lane. He passed the bounce pass. Fuentes. Pass back. Number 23. Shot clock down to 10. Vallecillo inside pass again. Montemayor. No! And posting up. Number 0 to the wings. Number 2 side step. The floater. Neged. Fuentes. The pass to the middle again. Montemayor. The pass to the wings. Pass ba? Oh! Ang lupit na pass. Barce. Pass to the middle. Inside pass. Kicks out. Pull up J. Off the mark. Fight for the rebound. Still goes to Team Dolores. The crossover. Goes inside. Lays to lumipa. And here's number 0. Pass to the middle. Wide open for 3. Off the mark. Sandal. And all alone. Sinausaw. Top ring. 2-0 with the ball. He passed to the wings. Pull up jumper. Bullseye. 0. He attacks to the middle. Pass inside. Reverse layup. The pass and the finish. And his team. Escaliado Green Team. Montemayor for 3. In and out. Rebound put back. Bucket. Lucero. Pass to the wings. Fires at 3. Won't go. Too short. Rebound number 1. And here's number 13. Mescaliado stops. Looking for receiver. Pass to number 17. Wide open for 3. Short. Rebound. Put back to Montemayor with the... Kicks out. Number 23. Balyasillo. Balyasillo now. Stop. Fires at 3. Bang! Cross the mid lane. He's at the top now. He passed to the corner. Bounce pass to the baseline. Kicks out. Picks. Spins to the middle. Lucero. Drives. Spins. In the spot. The number 23. Stops. He pass. Mescaliado between the legs. He goes to the middle. Goes to the screen. He pass to the wings. Fires at 3. Bang! Basket and 1. Number 23. Bounce pass to the middle. Montemayor. Pull up J. Bucket at the free. He's at the logo. Dolores. And here's Lucero. Inside pass. Lost the ball. Ball is stolen. And the long pass. And it shoots Montemayor. Short. And Montemayor back. Oh! Pass break here. Lucero all alone. To the hoops. Basket and 1. Here's Tim Alibcong. Mescaliado. Between the legs. Looking for the opponent. He fires at 3. Bang! Yes. Lucero. He stopped. He passed to the wings. Number 24. He passed back. And at the baseline. Pass inside. What a find. What a finish. Escaliado with the receive. Dribbling the ball. Dumistancia. And he attacks to the baseline. He pass. He lays. Yes, sir. He passed to the wings. Pass back to Berse. He's at the top now between the legs. He attacks. He goes to the baseline. He goes to the wings. He spins. Pull up jumper. Oh, won't go. Rebound and the putback shot. Basket and 1. Number 23 with the ball. Pass to number 1. And almost stolen and recover. Number 17 kicks out. Corner wide open for 3. Bang! Another. And Fuentes. The long pass to the wings. Pass back Fuentes. He picks. Fuentes. He dribbled the ball. He stopped. Pull up jumper 3. Bang! The lagi zero. Pass to the wings. Number 0 sa 3. Bang! The answer. Basketball. Cross the mid lane. Fuentes. The distancia between the legs. Looking for the opponent. He fires at 3. Bang! Back to back. Lucero. Lucero attacking the defense. The bounce pass inside. Nice find. Pong basketball. Fuentes with the receive. And against number 7. He passed to the wings. Fires at 3. Won't go. Battle for the rebound. Rebound. Oh, pinabitin. Won't go. And tumalsik si Idol. Reben para sa Team Dolores. Lucero. Lucero. Pass inside. Picks. Clutch fire off the window. Bullseye. Test behind the back dribble. And he goes to the screen. Bounce pass to Montemayor. Ball is stolen. Lucero. Pass break and all alone. Lace. And a inbound. And here's number 20. 23. Inside pass. Montemayor. Kakaldagin natin. Bagsak ang defender. And pass to the middle. Bounce pass. The floater. Yes, sir. Balyasillo. Goes to the middle. He attacks. Fires. Yes, sir! He stops to the wings. Fires at 3. Short. Rebound. The pass break. Nauna yung bola pero nahabol niya. He attacks. Pinoy step. Bounce pass. And recover. Montemayor fires. Bucket. Berse. He pass back to Berse. Berse attacks, kicks out, wide open for 3. Won't go. Oh, the follow-up shot. Berse attacks, floater, bucket, the friendly run. And tries to the hoop. So good. Rebound. Molina goes inside, kicks out. Berse side step. Oh, so palang inabot. And the pass break. Montemayor, easy to Montemayor. Inside pass, fires, bucket, Cava. Fuentes against number 25. Goes to the screen. He stops. Par 3. Bang! Another. Lucero picks. Goes inside. He spins. Oh! Spectacular move. High pass. Here comes number 14. Sumegway. Glaze. Bucket. Lucero. Pass to the corner. Fires at 3. Bang! Basket and 1. And down to 8-point lead. He spins. Attacks. Fires. Oop. That's it. Mescaliado goes to the middle. Lace. No good. Bortisa, the long pass. Lucero spins. Fires. Pinabitin. Basket and 1. Down to Lucero to the middle. To the wings. To Lucero. Lucero attacks. Goes inside. Kicks out. Wide open for 3. Short. Rebound. Reverse pass. Oh, Molina with the finish. Mescaliado against number 0. Goes to the wings. Attacks. Lace. Attack. Oh, sinausa. Down to 3-point lead. Mescaliado with the ball against number 0. He pass to the wings. And falling away. Short. Rebound. And sits. And a pass break. And gets attacks, Lace, basket and 1 and a chance to tie the game. And here's number 23, receives the ball. Mescaliado goes to the middle. He stops, kicks out. Shot clock down to 8. Floater, bucket, back to 3. Lucero now. He pass to the wings. Corner for 3. No good. Oh, Lucero, the rebound. Attacks, fires, no good. And here's Mescaliado stops to the middle. Inside pass. Takes another pass back. Short. Pull up J. Bucket. 5-point lead. Bound. Attacks. Lucero. Inside pass. 1 bounce and a fire. Bucket. And here's number 0. Cortizo, pass to the wings. Berse, pull up J. Bucket. Berse. 1-point lead for team. Mahoy, offensive pa. And Ballasillo spins. Ballasillo drives to the hoop. Short. And another ball possession for Dolores. Attacks. Bumper. Nugget. Rebound. And a pass break. And a pass inside. Pass break. Class by Montemayor. Bucket. And stops. Attacks. Falling away. Nugget. Rebound Montemayor. Mescadillo, ipas, libre, bucket! To 3-point lead, ipas, i-dribble, drives to the hoops, bucket! Mescaliano, to Montemayor. Pass to Mescaliado.
14 seconds to run the shot clock. Ballasillo.
Shot clock down to 10. Mescaliado. Mescaliado, 5 seconds. Montemayor fires. Bucket. 3-point lead. Lucero with the ball. He's at the top now. Against Mescaliado. Attack. Kicks out for the tie. Bam! Tie game! And dribble the ball. He pass. Fuentes.
Last 2 minutes.
Fuentes. He stops. Pass.
shot clock. Balyasilio.
Pull up J. Won't go.
Rebound.
And Lucero goes in elbow.
Good foul ang ginawa.
For the lead. Bucket. Up by 1. Last on the free throw. No good.
Ayan, Mr.
Up by 1. Arquiliano pull up J. Bucket. Change favor.
35.
Lucero now goes to the wings. Attacks. Kicks out. Open for 3 again. No good. Tips in. Rebound. Hook pass inside. 1 bounce. Hook shot. Bucket. Change favor.
Sa Kalamangan.
Fuentes.
90.
Fuentes goes to the screen. Fuentes. Stop for 3. Short. Rebound. Mapupunta ngayon sa Dolores. Lucero.
1 minute.
Lucero spins, kicks out. Attacks. Inside pass. Lucero pass. Too strong. And rebound. Oop. Bangga si rep. And 49 seconds on the final quarter. And here's Mezcaliado, 14 on the shot clock. He stop, deep 3, in and out, rebound. And here's, more seconds on the game clock. Attacks, spins,
25.
lays, too strong, pass break. Nauna na, goes inside, bump, lays, won't go, tips in, wala pa rin. Rebound, there's a chance. 15 seconds, Sumegway. And it's bump. Parsa 3. In and out. Oh! My foul. 5 seconds. Ikong ball possession. The pass. The foul.
Pang-isa.
First on the free throw. Bucket.
Free throw ni Mezcaliano.
Last on the free throw. Bucket. 3-point lead. No more timeout. And the chance. 3 seconds. He passed. Good. Congratulations.